Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today in this video we'll be talking about how to make money as an influencer. So if you already have audience or not, you will be able to monetize your channel. Now that is what we'll be looking in this video. Now this is the website guys. It is productlink.io. I will be leaving the link of this website in the description box below so you can find it out as usual. So there are so many ways of making money from this website. I'll be showing you everything like what all ways there are to make money from this website and so on. So being an influencer, individually doing it, you might be facing a lot of issues getting brands to notice you, and even if you have so many huge followers, people might be ask you about your stats and how many views you get per day, per month, and all those stuff. So if you're going to apply in some other website, or if you're going to go individually and contact all the brands, you might be facing so much of very tough and rigorous process to get approved. Now if you're already having followers or not, you can just right away get product links to advertise, to get referral commission from this website. Now you just need to be an YouTuber, or you can even be an affiliate marketer. That is not an issue because you have so many ways to make money from this website. So I'll be telling you and covering you about that. So as you can see on the screen, do what you love. Like as they have told you, you can be having any type of channel like technology based, style or fashion, makeup, shopping videos, vlogs that you show how you're shopping, what you're shopping, something like that. Then start making money from the site. And above shown are the steps that will be providing you the link and how you'll be monetizing your video and so on. So all the links that are provided from product link will not be expiring, and also you'll get high referral commissions, and there are so many ways. So starting off now, number one will be the affiliate marketing. Here you can be an individual affiliate marketer and use those links along with your post and make people buy. So that is how affiliate marketing is going to work. Here you can also make money as an affiliate marketer. You can make huge amount of money being an influencer, or linking it with YouTube or any of your social media page. So being the first, all these comparative chart is actually showing you how influencer getting paid for, like pay per post works. So that will not be like a long term one, and you will be getting very less pay, and you need to have a huge amount of audience. Like if you are going to be a celebrity or well known person, you might be able to make money from that. Now being an affiliate marketer, needn't be having so much of followers, but still you need around 10K or more than followers to make sales from the links that you are going to post in your social media page. You will be getting a steady income from affiliate marketing through other sites, but still you might not be able to get approval quickly from them. You have to wait for the approval process to complete and get approved, and start getting the link and posting it in the social media pages, because that is a huge process and it takes time for you to get approved from each brand and whoever you are applying to. So that is how affiliate marketing will be. But here in product link, you don't have to wait. Being an affiliate marketer, being a merchant, or being a brand, being a YouTuber or a creator, you don't have to wait. It's just a jiffy process. You're going to just complete your profile, signing up process, everything that requires your personal details. As usual, you have to complete it. You have to paste your if you are a YouTuber, you have to paste your video link, for which you are going to get the product, unique product link for your affiliate marketing, or it might be for your for influencer program. You will be getting your unique product link. You don't have to wait. It will be like the second you apply, the second you will be getting your link. So that is how fast and easy it is. Then you'll be getting your instant approval. Then you have to just start making money from it. No more waiting, no more hard work, nothing. You just have to apply for it. Like you have to give your video link. You will be getting your unique URL for making money. And then once people start to watch your video, and they are interested in buying the product that you're showing, or they are interested in to try it out, So they will be clicking on your unique URL and they will be buying the product that you are suggesting, and you will be getting the referral commission. So that is how it is going to be, and all the links that are redirected will be so dynamic. The web page will be like, will be so dynamic, and it will not be, just give you some errors, 404 errors, something like that. It will be just good. So they have good quality of brands, so you have thousands of brands you can select from. And as you can see, there is also, Lazada, Shopee, and so many other integrations that are seen. I have made a separate video on how to make money from Lazada, so if you are interested, you can check that one too. So this is just an estimator, guys. I will be estimating how much money I will be making. So say for example, I'm going to have 5,000 subscribers, or let's just have it as 15,000. Now I'm making, 10 videos per month. So this is my estimated summary, that estimated amount of money that I'm going to make money from Productlink. So it's going to be $95 monthly when I'm having 15,000 subscribers, and I'm, putting 10 videos a month. Now let's say we'll have 35,000. My monthly income will be around $223.13, guys. Just see how much amount of money extra income that I make without doing any hard work. Let's say I'm just having 5,000 subscribers and I'm just placing one video per month. I'll be getting around $3. So that's nice, right? I don't have to do any hard work. I just need to apply. I just need to give my YouTube video link, and I'll be getting my product, unique product link. And these are all the steps that I have told you. After finishing it, you will be enjoying the extra income from this. So that is how great this one is. You don't need to be, have so much of followers. You can start making money right away, even if you have very less amount of followers. So that is how great this website is. You can maximize your income. You can make, n number of times as per your, how much productive you are, because you have to post lot of videos if you are going to be a YouTuber, because it needs to be, you have to post in a frequency. It might be weekly once, or weekly twice, or 2 weeks once, but according to you, it should be, how much engaging you are going to make with your audience. So yeah, now this is for partners like brands and marketplaces, where they will be, integrating with this product link in order to provide their products to lot of YouTubers and other affiliate marketers to, get sales going on. So as you can see, there is also Lazada's integration here. So I have also made a separate video on how to make money from Lazada as an affiliate marketer. If you are interested, you can check it out. Link of that video will be below in the description box. Now as you can see, there are so many online marketplaces and brands. So you can see n number of brands inside. There are, around 6,000 brands and marketplaces inside. Once you join, research according to how your whole, the video is going to be, how you're going to promote it, everything you have to research and plan it out, and then come inside, search for those preferred products or brand that you're going to promote, and get their link, start pasting it right away. Now before moving on with our second part of the video, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now once you have signed up, you will be getting this page where you have to, confirm your email address. So you'll be given a link in your email, and once you have completed that, you will be here in the registration complete box. Now you have to log in again. So give your email ID and your password that you have made, and you will be inside your dashboard. Now this is how the dashboard will be. Now I have created a new account so that you won't be seeing all my other affiliating products that I'm actually doing. So this is a new profile and a dashboard. So all the products that are available will be shown here, that I'm actually doing all my videos. So you can connect your YouTube video with this to integrate seamlessly in order to, get the referral link instantly. So that is how it is going to be working. Now here you have to choose any product. You can paste the product, you can give the brand name and search for it, and once you have done it, you can create a unique link. That is how it is going to be. That is how you can make your product link, if you want to create one, or else search for it and start getting the link right away. Now in the right side corner you can see the top influencer campaign. That is, those are all the campaigns that are now trending in this website. So if you want, you can click on that, view it. This is my directory. These are all product directory. These are all, trending ones that are shown up in the first page. But still, if you are niche specific, you can search for the product that you are going to promote and get a link of it. So these are all top partners who are paying so much high referral commissions. And here you can see the categorization of it: electronics, fashion, finance, health and beauty, marketplace, and services. So many different type of categorizations are available here, and you can choose one company or a number of companies. Still, like, if you're going to choose it, you can just click on it and promote. Once you click promote, you can also here you can actually click on visit merchant or brand store, or if you don't want to visit them, you can just click the X button or close and add video placement, your URL video link. And as how I said before, it's the same process. Now you have to paste the product link or the brand link and then create new link. So that will be your unique URL. So I haven't connected my YouTube video here. If you are going to, you have to connect your video. So that's all about it, guys. It is that easy to make money from this. From the earnings tab, you can withdraw your earning that you have made from this website. So that's all about it, guys. If you are interested, you can start signing up right away now and make money from this product link. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will meet you all in the next video with another money making way. So until then, bye and thank you.